Hey, what's up you Shiba Inu holders? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to share, can Shiba Inu reach 1 cent level? I've seen a lot of videos. I'm going to share the truth whether Shiba Inu can hit the 1 cent mark or not. Remember we talked about Dogecoin, can it hit 10 cents? And look what happened. It hit 10 cents, not only 10 cents, it hit 75 cents, which was massive. So if someone bought at 1 cent Dogecoin, they are making 75 times more money right at this point. So $1,000 investment turned into $75,000 in Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu has similar return potential. So I'm going to share the truth about what it takes for Shiba Inu to get to 1 cent level. Remember, Shiba Inu has a lot more to offer from this price point to get up to 100% or 1000% or 10,000%. And there is a lot more that can happen to Shiba Inu because there are lots of catalysts that is coming up. There is a lot more in the store. I'm going to share about some exciting stuff. I put together a spreadsheet with the formula so we can also look into the current market cap, the future market cap, the multiplications and the percentages as to what Shiba Inu needs to do to get to 1 cent level. So stay tuned, like on the subscribe button, click on the like button as well. Like and subscribe will help this channel out, as well as it will help the Shiba Inu community to spread the word out. So click the like, share and subscribe on this video. Now let's take a look before we go there. Shiba Inu is trading at 0.0000969 level. We are 5% up right at this price point. Yes, the volume is a little bit down, 48% down. $1.15 billion volume is still a massive volume. Remember what happened to Shiba Inu when it went all the way to 38 level. Right now we are at the 9 level. So there is 4 times more potential even if it just hits all-time high, which means $100 investment can turn into $400, $1,000 investment can turn into $1,000. Now I want to go quickly, and once again I want to show the market cap, which is 3.8 billion, and this is pretty relevant. Before I go to my spreadsheet, I wanted to share this Reddit post, what it says about the market cap and about how it can hit the higher levels. This is not a financial advice. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor either, so correct me if I'm wrong. Write down in the comment section below as to what you think about this video, whether Shiba Inu can hit 1 cent or not. Click on the like button and subscribe to this channel because I've been sharing a lot of time sensitive updates and information. Now think about it, the 1,000 trillion supply right here, that is the max supply, and we can confirm that right here as well, which is on coin market cap. Oh, by the way, this is one of the top most viewed cryptocurrency on coin market cap. So think about it, Shiba Inu is one of the highest one in last 30 days that spiked up, and one of the reason is it is one of the most popular cryptocurrency on the planet Earth on coin market cap. If you are on the top, that means lots and lots of eyeballs are looking into that particular token, that particular coin. So going back to the market cap, the supply, 1,000 trillion is the supply, 394 trillion is the circulation supply for last 24 hours. So let's take a look right here, which is 394 trillion 796. So 394 trillion is the circulation supply right at the moment, and that is correct. Now this with 1,000 or 1 million trillion burned. So with this burn rate that we have been seeing, that means the 590,000 trillion minus 314 trillion, which means 195 trillion, which is not used in the circulation supply, which is approximately 20% of the total market cap. Now people have to understand that there is a total cap that will be reduced a lot when the swap is here. So which is why the Shiba swap is super important. When Shiba swap is around, we'll be able to see that the bone and the leash starts picking up. Now because people will stake or buy and bury Shiba Inu coins, which results into less Shiba Inu coin. And we saw what happened when Vitalik burned $6.7 billion worth of coins, which will be going out of the supply. There is an account, or there is an address where people can send the Shiba Inu coin to get burned, and which is what Vitalik did, which means that particular address is not in the circulation, and it will get burned if anyone sends the Shiba Inu coins to that particular address, which results in less Shiba Inu coin equals to the higher demand, higher price point, and it can be gained in terms of 100 times or maybe 1000 times. And this is what this post talks about, and there is pretty good discussion around. And you will not have to transfer your SHIB over to SHIBASWAP or something along those lines. You'll be still be able to buy and sell from every exchange that is available. Now, one thing I wanted to share is this spreadsheet, and want to share what it takes for Shiba Inu to go to 1 cent level. Now, right here, right now, I took the price point as the current price point 0.000009 and 6 and whatever that other numbers I did not really take, with the market cap of 3.5 billion, which is the current market cap, with the circulation supply of 394 trillion, which is this number right here. Now, from this price point, this is the highest price point that Shiba Inu hit once. Now, if it hits once again, that's what I'm trying to refer to, that is 331% up from this price point. Now, what that means is if it gets there, it will be close to 12 billion supply in terms of the market cap, which is still doable. So we can hit all-time high, and investment of $1,000 can turn into, once again, $3,500 to $4,000, as I just mentioned. There is some calculation small errors because these numbers are in too many decimals, and I took pretty much the zeroed out numbers just to make it a little bit more readable, but the numbers are pretty close to what I'm showing here. Now, if it hits 0.00005, now, which is higher, definitely higher than the all-time high that it has hit, but it is close to 4.5 to 500%. At that time, the market cap will be 53 billion, which is still doable in my opinion, because we have seen the huge market caps like Dogecoin up to 70-80 billion dollars. So this is definitely doable. Now, what it takes for Shiba Inu to go to 0.0001 cent level, which is once again $1 level. This is this level. Now, at that time, the increase is 1000% increase, which is where it gets tricky, because at that point it will have to have $541 billion market cap, which is a huge market cap, or in other words, it's half of the market cap than we see in the Bitcoin. Now, I'm not saying Shiba Inu is better or not better than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has the first movers advantage. It has an advantage of having a lot of people holding for a long time, which may not sell, which is why the supply is so small. The second thing is the circulation supply in Bitcoin, which is why it's holding the hype so well. So for that 0.0001, it is pretty challenging for Shiba Inu right at this point. We don't know what's going to happen after 2 years, after 3 years, after 5 years, because think about it, it could be possible that the cryptocurrencies may have the valuation and the market cap in trillions after a couple of years. If the entire globe starts buying into crypto, it has real utility, which means you can go to a retail store, sell your crypto and buy the product or services. That is going to be amazing. But right at this price point, it is pretty challenging. So I wouldn't really go to the next use case, which is going to be even challenging, because we are looking at $59,670 billion worth of market cap if it hits 0.0001. But what I wanted to share in addition is, while people are burning Bitcoin, people are burning Shiba Inu, and there might be future events, someone like Vitalik starts burning their coin, it's possible, or maybe the company itself, the Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu developers themselves burn the coins. And what's going to happen? Now, considering this, our 394 trillion market cap, so close to 4 trillion market cap, let's say we are at 100 trillion market cap instead of 394 trillion market cap. So 394,000 billion is 394 trillion market cap. Now, if we burn about 75% of the current tokens that we have in the market, we are looking at 100,000 billion, which is 100 trillion market cap at the circulation supply. At that point, with 100 trillion circulation supply, we are looking at $100 billion $100 billion market cap, which is doable in my opinion. At that point, we can hit 0.001 level, which means it is 111 times more price point than what we are seeing for Shiba Inu, and it is doable. Which means that if someone invested $100 can right now can turn into $11,100 with the 25% circulation that is in the circulation right now. Right now it's 400 trillion circulation supply. We are looking at 100 trillion circulation supply with the market cap of 100 billion, and 0.001 price point is doable at that range, and $100 investment can turn into $11,100. I just wanted to share this information, hoping you can make informed financial decision, because I saw a lot of videos that talks about Shiba Inu can hit $1, Shiba Inu can hit 10 cents, Shiba Inu can hit 5 cents, but I wanted to put out some realistic price point. Now $100 billion market cap sounds realistic from 1 year from now, more or less. This price point also look realistic as well, 0.001. Looking at the burn rate, probably 75% burn rate can happen. It's pretty challenging, but can happen. With that, the investment of $100 can turn into $11,100, which does sound also realistic. But if you think about Shiba Inu can go to 1 cent or $1 with the current market supply of 394 trillion tokens, which is going to be very, very challenging. So I just wanted to put out right here very realistic view of what Shiba Inu can offer. By the way, there are a lot of good stuff in the store for Shiba Inu. One thing that they can offer is getting listed on Robinhood. I know it is not on Shiba Inu developers to make it happen. It is on the community. So if you haven't signed the petition that is going on for Robinhood, I would suggest go ahead and sign the petition. Second thing is SHIBASWAP, which is on the developers that they can offer to the community. If that happens, Bone and Leash is going to be pretty popular moving forward. Bone and Leash, they're being listed on more and more exchanges, which means more and more people can buy them. So that is going to be also important. The third thing is the burning. As we see more tokens burn in terms of Shiba Inu, that is also going to be a positive factor for Shiba Inu, and it will impact the price in the positive direction. And the fourth and the most important thing is us, the investors who are holding pretty strong, because if there is a huge volatility and if there is a smaller circulation supply, it will help fuel the price, spike the price in the positive direction. Shiba Inu, I'm personally super bullish about Shiba Inu. I'm not a financial advisor, so you do your own due diligence and research before you buy or sell. Do not invest anything that you're not willing to lose, because this is a pretty risky investment. Yes, you can make a ton of money. On the flip side, you can lose all of them as well. But for Shiba Inu, the hype is there and the hype is real. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.